Hello my friends. I'm going to try another swipe today, a bit of an experiment. Let me show you the last one, the dried results. This is the one, and I like it in this orientation. I don't think you can see the whole thing in the camera this way, but anyway, that's it, and a very interesting lacing effect. I did use silicone on this one. I have not yet cleaned it off or varnished it, but this time I'm going to skip the silicone and see if I get a crazy effect, because I am using the Artist Loft White Flow Acrylic for the base, and maybe that is sufficient to get selling, and I'll just reserve that Artist Loft for the base of these swipes, because you want, it's lacing kind of look. So we'll see how that goes. If I don't get a good effect, I can always add a little bit of silicone to the swipe color. So I'm going to do the same thing. Leave a channel of blank canvas there for the colors that I lay down. Swipe with black. I am using different colors though in addition to that. But this time I think I'll go this vertical orientation, or horizontal rather, and do that. So let me get prepared and I shall return. Okay, I know there's a glare from my light, but I can't get rid of that. So I don't think I've mixed up enough paint. I don't know what I was thinking. I used little 3-ounce cups instead of 5-ounce. So I'm only going to be able to put one row, I think, of color across here. I've got, what is this? Oh, what is that? It's a Liquitex color. Alizarin, maybe? Alizarin Crimson hue. This was Prism Violet, but I decided I want it darker, so I added a bit of black to it. And that will also help with the opacity, because Prism Violet is a transparent color and black is opaque, so now it should be opaque. And some gold. And I don't think that's more than one row of color across there. So I had standing by some ready pour paints from Hippie Crafter. And this is metallic purple and rose, so if necessary I will just add some of that. So here we go. Rather than layer the colors, I'm going to do them side by side. Yeah, maybe I have more than I thought. Let me try another row of it. Not very much. Okay. Alizarin Crimson, I'll start on this side. Well, first I'll do the first one this way, because that's comfortable for me as a lefty. Now I'll come back this way. Looks like I got a little more of that. All right, and then gold. Forgot to leave a channel for the black, the swipe color. Oh well. Live and learn. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and do this. Why not? Looks kind of wonderful, just like that. And metallic purple. All right, and now the black, the swipe color. And again, no silicone in here, but I have enough of this that I could try it. And if I don't like the way it looks, I could add silicone to it. So here we go. Okay. One of my viewers suggested I go to Home Depot and get some corrugated PVC to, and then cut it up, and I could make one big swipe out of it. Doggone it, I can't remember his name. I think it was Jim. I'm sorry, I apologize, but he's been really helpful in writing lots of tips. He's a very creative guy, and I said I would mention his name, but when I get the stuff, I'll look it up, and if I give it a try, I will definitely tell you who he is. Okay, here we go. Let's see what happens. Okay, well, there's quite the reaction in the white Artist Loft. Not so much, you know, with the other colors. Let's see. If I hit it with a torch, is something going to happen? Not much. It's pretty, though. All right. Not sure whether that's purple. This is the black there. You know what? I'll just go in here. I don't know what that is. Residue of a sticker of some kind. Okay, well. I'm a little disappointed that I'm not getting more of these other colors to show up here, although it's pretty. What to do? Turn it around so I can swipe towards me. Let's see, you can still see that. Pretty much. I guess I could move it a little bit towards you. What to do? Shall I add silicone to this half? That might be interesting. I think I will. I get plenty of stuff going on without it in that white area. But I am going to add 2 drops. Or maybe just 1. A little goes a long way. This is about 1.5 ounces of black. I'm going to run that through there. And now come this way and see what happens. False alarm. I want the thing as clean as possible. Okay. Mm-hmm. Well, a different look certainly than the non-silicone side, and now I expect this to just really change up like the other one did on the bottom there. It's so fun to see those cells pop up. Oh, I didn't clean my swipe thing very well. Got a big white stripe there, but that's okay. All right. It's actually interesting having that there. Okay, one more. I can't really tell the difference where the black and meets the dark purple. It's very similar value. Okay. All right, well, you can see the difference between the silicone side and the non-silicone side. And I actually like the difference there. The uniqueness of each side that way. I'm going to do some tilting. I'm going to fix up that bottom edge there and kind of lose the, well, I'm going to change it up. Here we go. I hope I don't regret this. Just going to tilt it enough to fix that bottom edge. Okay, just that one corner needs, it's being very stubborn there. Why is that? I'll let it go. I'm not going to ruin the whole composition because of that one corner. Come back this way a bit. I kind of like it, my friends. What do you think? I wonder if I can just swipe that one little edge there and fix it. It's so crazy, but that's the kind of thing that drives me nuts. But I don't want to get a big line. No, I'm going to leave it alone. If I were to go like that, I'd have a weird line there from where I started the swipe. And I'd have to start way in here to cover that. I'll leave it alone. Live with it. Okay. Woo, I think it's quite striking. Let me bring you in a little closer. Oh, I'll hit it with a torch first and see, since I added silicone there, if anything else happens. A little bit. I don't even mind these section things. I think it adds some interest. So I'm good with it. Okay, let me show you a close-up. So the battle of the cells. On this side we have what I would really call lacing as opposed to cells. That's just with the Artist Loft Floeacrylic mixed with Floetrol. I'll put the recipe down below. And then the middle is kind of a meld of both. And then on that side we have the silicone cells and lacing, a different look for sure. And I expect they're going to expand some. Look at the little flower shapes that happen. I think it's going to expand like the last one did. Probably tomorrow that half I'm showing you now will look a little different. But I'm good with it. I think it'll be a fun addition to these larger pieces I need to have for the show in October. So, thanks for watching, my friends, and I'll see you next time.